I am a graduating senior. I will be graduating this semester, and this is part of our senior design project where we take all of the knowledge we've learned over our tenure at UMR and apply it to a problem in our field. You can sit and make your designs and make your plans, but if you don't actually come out and see the site and get a feel for it, then you're missing out.
Bruno, Nebraska.
Population 141. At this particular site, it's a co-op, which is a grain storage area. In the 40s and the 50s, grain fumigants were applied inappropriately, and they've leached down into the water supply for this small town in Nebraska. We're trying to come up with a way to take this treated water and deciding what to do with it, whether we should just dispose of it straight into a creek or if there's some way we can possibly give it to the residents of Bruno. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Where do you think we're at? Where I can hear something?
Probably right there.
Yeah, I'd say there.
Right next to it?
So we're right there.
Let's go take a place there.
This.
But I should find the rest of the group, and whoever's got the map I'm marking on.
So is the water tower on?
No, well, it's kind of down here.
Okay.
That's the groundwater well right there, the public supply well.
Right. This
and that's the water tower. According to this, it's about a 40-foot elevation difference
between here and the top.
So that's not too bad. But having a project that you are responsible for is a whole nother experience. The final report we're sending off to Dave Drake of the EPA this afternoon. Since the report's for an actual client and not just as a graded thing, we're checking it over 2-3 times, make sure that everything's in line and that we've got our table contents all taken care of. We're sending 3 copies?
We're sending 1 original and 3 copies, and then I'll keep 1 hard copy.
The final solution to the problem, we decided to add on to the EPA's discharge line. We're just doing a line off of there to take some of that water before it heads out. And that way the load line will have 2 connections. One will be for a fire hose and one will be like a gas pump kind of nozzle. And residents of Bruno or anyone who needs the water, say for firefighting purposes or for even watering their gardens, will be able to come and hook up to either the fire hose attachment or the nozzle. It's fairly cheap compared to everything else we looked at, and it makes the water available to everybody.
Has it been worth it?
Yes, and it's a relief that it's done too.
Is it right? Is it right?
Oh, of course.